Oxford Business Group has now launched the report Bahrain 2022. This edition of the annual Business Intelligence Report shines a spotlight on the country's far-reaching plans for economic expansion, which include attracting investment in high-potential industries and rolling out big-ticket infrastructure projects. The report provides details of efforts to bring the private sector on board for a $30 billion pipeline of infrastructure projects that is expected to support growth in a number of sectors. In particular, the report Bahrain 2022 spotlights the projects designed to facilitate the movement of goods and people within and across the kingdom's borders and strengthen the country's position in the regional logistics industry, with the King Hamad Causeway linking Bahrain and Saudi Arabia one of several projects of note. The new report also explores planned developments to support Bahrain's tourism expansion efforts, now that an easing of pandemic-related restrictions is reinvigorating this sector and increasing visitor numbers, with the kingdom seeking to diversify its source markets and offerings to ensure sustainable growth in this important industry. At the macro level, elevated international oil prices and a robust project pipeline are helping Bahrain to rebound from the challenges of the pandemic. Indeed, Bahrain's economy grew by 2.2% in 2021, buoyed by a recovery in energy and tourism income, with foreign direct investment also rising by more than half in the first 3 quarters of 2021, compared to the corresponding period the previous year. This positive momentum has continued into 2022, with the Ministry of Finance and National Economy forecasting full-year growth of 4.1%. Elsewhere, OBG's report analyses the latest developments in the country's vibrant financial sector, which vies with oil and gas as the largest contributor to the economy. The emergence of the country as a leading financial technology centre is one of several topics examined, alongside the potential impact of the medium-term financial services development strategy that aims to deepen the kingdom's capital markets, stimulate job creation, and cement Bahrain's position as a centre for banking innovation. In a similar vein, the implications of Bahrain's new 2022 to 2026 industrial sector strategy are explored in detail, with a focus on how the kingdom can better generate downstream value added to its natural resources and capitalise on the potential of the fourth industrial revolution. With oil and gas prices fully recovered from the lows of the pandemic, the report also tracks the latest developments in Bahrain's oil and gas industry, including ongoing efforts to commercialise a major shale discovery made in 2018. Efforts to attract investment for the renewables segment are another focal point as the country aims to meet net zero carbon emissions by 2060. Read the report Bahrain 2022 for an in-depth analysis of these crucial topics and more from our on-the-ground experts, as well as engaging insights from key leaders in the government and executives from the top public and private sector companies.